Hi class, it's really great to see you. I miss you a ton and hope that you are doing well. I wanted to make sure that you knew how to navigate what we're going to be doing in biology. So we're going to be using my MCPS Classroom as the main way to give you instruction. So if you look at my screen, and mine looks a little bit different being the teachers, but I think you'll be able to get the same idea. I'm going to open up my dashboard for my class. And I've changed this a little bit from how it used to be. So now you'll see week 1, and the only thing for you to open up under week 1 is this April 6th through 8th. When I open this up, now every single link on here goes to a different thing. So instead of having the kind of bar before we had for the quiz, you're just going to click on this link for the warm-up quiz. When you click on that, you open up the quiz and you take it, okay? Then when I go back, I will go here this is just a website for you to play on that's really interesting. I think you'll enjoy it. And then your next assignment will be to read this CK12 article. And while you're reading the CK12 article, I want you to take this quiz. CK12 is taking a little bit to load. But the quiz it's a reading quiz. So everything that you're getting on there is in there. So like the first question comes from this diagram. So you're going to go, when you open up the quiz, I would recommend that you actually have, if you have the option, to have the reading next to the quiz. That way you can see them both, okay? You can go back and forth. You can make this a little better. But there's a video in here, and there's questions that are from the video. So make sure that you actually watch the video so that you can answer the questions, okay? Then, after you do that, you are going to, your other assignment for the week is this Body Systems Graphic Organizer assignment. You're going to open this up, and I finally learned how to give each person their own individual copy, so you don't have to do the copy-paste thing that we were doing before. I think that you're just going to click, again, my teacher view is a little different, but I think you just click on this blue Body Systems Organizer to open it. And when you open it, I've done the first row for you about the circulatory system. And so I want you to give me the functions, the organs, the type of cells, and then I want you to tell me how systems work with other systems. So I gave you all of these different ones for the circulatory system, and then you are going to figure out, you're going to look up, and I put a bunch of resources for you to use, but the skeletal system, the nervous system, endocrine, actually there's a bunch that I skipped over, muscular, excretory. You're going to be filling in these rows for all of the other systems. When it says other systems that this system works closely with and how do they work together, the circulatory system works with every single system. So I listed every single system and said how they work together. The digestive system doesn't necessarily work with every single system. So pick out the ones that it's working most closely with, okay? I put the headers over and over again because as you type, this will get bigger and bigger and bigger, and I didn't want you to have to keep looking up to see what you were writing in each one. So you should have something on yours where you hit submit probably at the end. So that's how you'll submit that assignment. We're going to be doing our work weekly. So I'll be rolling things out. You'll have things by Monday, and then they'll be due at the end of the week. But this next week is a shortened week. So everything will be due by midnight, April 8th. Okay. So by the end, you will be turning in, you should have done your warm-up quiz. You should have done the CK12 article and done the reading quiz, and you should have done the Body Systems Graphic Organizer. Use these resources here to help you. All right. Don't know how to stop this recording, so I'll talk to you for 14 more seconds. I really miss you guys a ton and hope that you are doing well in your homes. Reach out to me if you need any help.